What's up, you guys? This is Brittany. I'm coming to you with another hair review. This is by Glossy Hair. I actually ordered this hair myself. This is a V-part 32-inch Brazilian curly wig. Came with some nice mink lashes. Like, they look like some really cute lashes, unlike some others that I do get or receive when I purchase hair. As you can see, the clips, there's two clips right in the front on each side for the V part. And there's combs also, and you can fix the bra strap within there. Now, this is how it looks. It is 32 inches, and I am in love with it because it is gorgeous. So basically, it's a U part, but it's a V part, meaning that it doesn't leave as much hair out as a U part does. And me wearing these wigs, I have had some irritation to my forehead, so I wanted to try and, like, give my forehead a breather from all of the glue that I've been placing on my head for the past couple of years. So you see me, I just have my hair braided back into like a couple of braids with some of my leave out. Now, I really had wanted to try this hair with no leave out, because a lot of the V parts say that, it looks okay with no leave out. But this particular hair, you kind of need some leave out. I also ordered it in straight, which I just received. And I want to know if you guys want to see me record a video on it. It is a, I think, 28-inch V-part straight wig. So you can see me trying to pull it down, snap the clamps, figure out how to do this, because, like, I've always made my U parts back in the day. I never like really ordered them. And this particular one is like really, like, the V is really a V. And you really don't have much hair to leave out, which I really like because I don't braid my hair too well. So this is just gonna have to work. So you see me parting my hair, and I'm just gonna blend my hair on in with this V-part wig. Now, all I did was put some like conditioner and water on his hair, or some deep conditioner, and made it curly, and it looks just like mine. Now, I will be dyeing my leave out because, girl, she works with children and she has a couple grays. But that's what you can see me looking at the grays like, oh, Lord, look at the grays. So I'm going to put the link down below. I did purchase this wig because I wanted a V-part wig. You guys let me know if you want to see this straight wig that I actually received today in the mail, which is 28 inches. And apparently I ordered from the same company. So let you see the rest of the video, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe.